Hello my beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Reet. Today's video is episode 3 of my Beauty Basics series and it's all about primer, foundation and concealer. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first step when starting your makeup application is using primer. It helps in holding your makeup and also helps in making your makeup look flawless. There are 4 types of primers. The first one is a mattifying primer, which is really good for oily skin or combination skin as it minimizes the pores. The second type of primer is tinted primer. This is really good if you have normal skin and smaller pores. The third kind of primer is silicone-free primer, and it's really good if you have a dry skin. And the fourth one is color correcting primer, which helps in neutralizing your skin from dark pigmentation. These are my 2 favorite primers right now. This one is Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and this one is Benefit the Porefessional Primer. Today I'm going to use Maybelline's primer. I really like this drugstore product and I use it in my everyday makeup routine basically, and I also love how it feels on my skin after applying. I apply primer on my T-zone area and where I find larger pores on my face. So I'm just gonna take a pea size on my finger and then I'm gonna just start applying it in a dabbing motion. The second step after using primer is applying foundation. We can apply foundation with 2 different tools. The first one is using brush and the second one is using Beauty Blender. For this video, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filt'r foundation. I'm gonna take 3 pumps of this foundation. On my right side, I'm gonna use Beauty Blender, and for that, I'm gonna take a little foundation on my finger and I'm gonna make dots all over my face. And also don't forget to go onto your neck. To apply foundation with Beauty Blender, make sure you're going in a dabbing motion, and also make sure that you're going in your hairline and all over your neck. For Beauty Blender, make sure that you're not dragging it and just dabbing it into your skin. On the left side of my face, I'm going to use a brush for my foundation application, and for that I'm going to take a little foundation on my brush and I'm just going to go in small strokes all over my face. I'm also making sure that I literally buff it into my skin really well so that no harsh lines or no brush hair lines are visible. There is not much of a difference in application of foundation with brush or Beauty Blender, but I personally prefer Beauty Blender more as it takes lesser product and it gives more flawless look as compared to brush, because brush sometimes leaves harsh lines with its bristles. The third step is applying concealer, and for that I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r concealer. So first I'm going to apply concealer under my eyes. I'm going to apply it in a triangle shape. I'm making sure that I'm covering half of my cheek so that this area is highlighted. And then I'm gonna make a little wing on the corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna fill it in with my concealer. And also I'm gonna put some concealer on the bridge of my nose and then a little on my forehead. And a little bit on my chin. So these are the basic areas which I want to highlight. Same as foundation, you can apply concealer with brush or Beauty Blender depending on your preference. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna apply on left side with my brush and on right side with my Beauty Blender. For brush, I'm gonna go in same small strokes. And then on my right side, I'm gonna use Beauty Blender, and for that, I'm gonna dab it into my foundation. Whenever you're applying concealer, just make sure that you're blending it into your foundation so that there are no harsh lines or discoloration on your face. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope it was helpful for all of you. If you liked the video, do not forget to hit like button and also share the video as much as you can. For more videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions, please put them down in the comment box below. And I will see you guys until the next time. Love you guys!